Hello, I am Satvika, studying 5th standard. Today I am going to show you the method of rainwater harvesting system. The rainwater harvesting means the collection of rainwater stored for future. Our earth is covered by 75% of water and 25% of land.
But water scarcity is a global issue.
50% of water is wasted as a result of inefficiency and ignorance of water management system. This is the matter. Rainwater harvesting is one of the effective methods to use the water conservation. When the rain falls on the roof, which is collected, pass through the connection pipe. When reached to filter contains sand, charcoal and gravel in equal proportion. Dust, leaves and other organic methods get removed from the water from the roof, and finally it reaches to the underground storage tank. The excess of water falls to the ground. With the help of motor, we can pump the water to the rooftop tank. We can use this water for gardening. We can use for washing car, for cultivation and all household work. Public water tank. This is a crop field. Between this, a water body was there. Overflowing water collected in a pond. This is a dam. This is water body. That's all about my topic. Save water by rainwater harvesting system. Thank you.